welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what I finished, and I won't show you what I didn't finish because I don't know, I'm kind of puzzled about that project, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to continue with it or I'm just going to, you know, bin it because it's been a struggle. But I'm going to show you what I finished, and I'm going to show you what I'm working on, and I'm going to show you what I got. So stay tuned. So the first thing that I want to show you is a sweater. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this already. I've winged this one, so I haven't got a pattern for it. It's kind of like a drop shoulder sweater with like a lacy bottom, and I don't know if you can see it here. I will try to do some close-ups. But this is the lace at the bottom, and I started this sweater because of this lace. I really liked it, and I tried to see what I can do with it. I did think about doing a whole vest top in this pattern, but I thought it would be a bit too, I don't know. But since I love my elbow length tops for summer, maybe autumn, I decided to do this one. And as you can see, I did a little bit of decreasing for the waist and increasing towards the underarm, and then just plain knitting to the top. I finished it, or I seamed it with the Kitchener stitch here, and then I've just done 1x1 rib at the top and shortish sleeves, and it fits really nice. I really like it. Maybe I should have worn it for this video, but I don't know if you can see. I like it, and I'm really happy with it. It's quite soft, and the wool was Drops Baby Merino. Very, very cheap, like £2.80 for a skein, and for this I used 4 skeins, so you end up with £10. That's it. Obviously your work, but it did stretch a bit when I washed it. I didn't wash it in the machine. Maybe I should have. I hand washed it. I'm not sure if the wool is, if the merino is super wash, but anyway, I'll link the yarn down below, and if you're interested for the lace pattern, I can do a video for that. Let me know in the description down below. We're still filming, so we're going to move on to the next project that I'm making, and I don't have the pattern because I downloaded it on my iPad, so I'm using it from my iPad because I wanted to like stop printing patterns. But this is the yarn I'm using. It's the Fleece Artist yarn, and this is by well, it's by Fleece Artist, and it's a superfine merino and tencel, so it gives the yarn a little bit of a sheen. It's from my knit crate, and if you want to see the unboxing for this, I will link it down below. But I'm really happy with this yarn. Is quite soft, and this is what I've done so far. I like the pattern. I'm doing the beginner's pattern because I was more keen on having a shawl than a hat and gloves. But this is what I've done so far, and as you can see, it's like a diamond shape of combination of garter and stockinette, and then it has buttonholes on the side. So I will link it down below, like I said, and post it on my Instagram when I finish it. But it will be like shoulder cover with buttons on the side, so more like a cape. And I really like the colors. They're right for autumn. So that's on my needles, freshly on my needles, and I have 2 skeins for that I'm using. Excuse me, my cold is just not good. The next project that I'm going to show you, sorry, my cold is just so bad. It's a washcloth, and it looks like this, and I'm halfway on it. And this is a paid pattern by Very Pink Knits, And the reason why I decided to do one of these, or maybe I'll do a couple, is because I burned my hand one morning picking my lid on my pot, and I said, well, that's it, I'm just gonna go ahead and do one of Stacy's beautiful let me tell you what she calls them. I'll just show you the front page. She calls them shaker dishcloths and coasters, and this is what they look like. She does them in worsted weight yarn. I'm not sure if she does it in cotton, but I've had some cotton and I decided to do it because cotton you can just throw in the washing machine. But yeah, I wanted to do a few of these, and oh my goodness, they knit up so quickly. I've only done half because I have 2 projects on the go, and I kind of, you know, do a little bit of it and then I move on to the next one. But I'm going to finish this today, and this is what it looks like. I really like it. It's short rows with a picot edge. It's quite cool. So that's the second thing that I've got on my needles, and the most exciting thing that will be on my needles soon, it's in this box. And if you're a knitter, I'm sure you know what this is, who they are. This is a We Are Knitters delivery box, and I did buy some wool from them. I was going to buy a kit, but then I thought I don't really knit with straight needles, and they have straight needles, so I just went ahead and bought some nice yarn, and I'm going to make a blanket, like a throw from it, because I kind of want to have a nice throw for the end of the bed, or, you know, winter's around the corner. I have to say, we've had the heat wave here in UK, but I'm without scissors again. But the cold weather will come soon, and this will be perfect. Ooh, there we go. So, oh, nice. So this is kind of like a We Are Knitters unboxing. So you open your big box, delivery box, and then you get one of these bags, and they're so famous, these bags. A giant bag like this. So cool. Maybe I should have taken pictures of it. We Are Knitters, all the happiness in a kit. Even though I didn't order a kit, I guess they still send you this kind of. And I'm going to slowly open it. I don't want to mess it up. It's so nice. I did already. Oh my goodness. So I ordered 6 skeins because I want to make a bigger throw. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it's soft. It's so big. Yeah, the wool I ordered was the 100% Peruvian Highland wool, and I ordered 6 skeins. Isn't it gorgeous? Here we go. Maybe this would do a great thumbnail. I love it. So I have 6 skeins, and I'm going to use either my 12 circulars. I've got my Knit Pro 12 circulars, or maybe even bigger. They say you should. Oh, okay. Oh no. Okay. It says you can use needles from 10 millimeters up. So I have a set of 12. So I'm gonna give that a try and see how dense it is. But oh my goodness, I love this wool, and I'm so happy with it. But yeah, that is it. That is my what I've been knitting, what I finished, and what I'm planning to knit. And I hope you like it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.